Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be presenting the mini cordless chainsaw, compatible with Makita batteries. The package includes, 1 mini chainsaw, 1 pair of gloves, 2 batteries, 1 charger, 1 spare chain, and 1 screwdriver. To prevent accidental starts, both the safety lock and the trigger must be pressed simultaneously to operate the chainsaw. The 6-inch mini chainsaw is equipped with an oil tank for automatic lubrication, reducing friction resistance during use. This chainsaw is lightweight and requires no complicated setup. It can be used straight out of the box. Don't forget, like and subscribe. This tool is perfect for quickly cutting branches in gardens, yards or forests. It is more efficient, lighter, durable and can be easily used by beginners, women and old people. You can find this product below in the description. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.